follow-up to that? Okay, yes. Yeah, just please.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Golhati. With all due respect, Senator, I don't believe that the question was answered adequately because we all know that we are already doing that. Okay, all the Filipinos are already doing that, the bayanihan, the volunteerism, and we're trying our best here in the international community to show what Filipinos are like and how hardworking we are and how excellent we are as a people. But no matter how hard we do that, there are people, especially from your party, in fact, yourself.
I'm Akbayan.
Well, yes, from your party, and the Liberal Party. But not long ago, very recently in fact, you were demanding that the President allow the UN to come into the Philippines and investigate. Where is the honor in that? How can we be honorable when we malign our own community, our own people, in suggesting that there are crimes going on done by the government against its own people? Parang hindi fair na kami nagpapakahirap na baguhin ang imahe ng mga Pilipino at ng Pilipinas sa international community, and yet paulit-ulit na naririnig namin sa inyong mga politicians na dinadown nyo ang sarili nyong bansa. Naapektuhan kami, naapektuhan ng OFWs. We are around the world and we all have to put up with that, and we all have to we're at the forefront, in other words. Nasa frontier kami, nasa harapan kami yung nasa trenches na humaharap sa mga foreigners na nakikita kung anong sinasabi ng mga katulad ninyo na Senator, you hold office, okay? So people will listen to you, whether we like it or not. So paano namin mababago ang imahe kung paulit-ulit na sinisira ng kapwa namin Pilipino?
Okay. Salamat, Ms. Golhati. Kung